To install EndNote for Windows, firstly, go to the RMIT Library website in Australia. Scroll down the homepage and find the Library Essentials section. Click on Subject Guides. In the Subject Guides section, scroll down and select Reference. Then, click on EndNote. Scroll further down the EndNote page. You will see 2 tutorial videos available. One for Windows and one for Mac OS, showing how to use EndNote. Continue scrolling to the Installing section. You will find a download link for EndNote 2025. A link to update to the latest version if you already have an older version installed. Click on the download link and log in using your RMIT credentials. Scroll down to the EndNote Desktop heading. Click the download link for Windows. Important: make sure to close all applications, especially Microsoft Word, before downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Double-click the downloaded en2025.exe file and follow the installation instructions. Enter the license key. To set up the RMIT Harvard output style, download both the XML and ENS files. Open your File Explorer. Cut the downloaded ENS file. Paste to the location local disk C, then Program File, then EndNote 2025, then Styles. To set up the RMIT Harvard reference types and fields, open EndNote Desktop. Go to Preferences, then Reference Types and click Import. Select the downloaded XML file and click Open. Click Save, then close the Preferences window. Go to Tools. In Output Styles, select Open Style Manager. Scroll down and tick in RMIT Harvard EndNote. Then go to Tools again. In Output Style, select RMIT Harvard EndNote. Open Microsoft Word. Select RMIT Harvard EndNote in Style from the EndNote 2025 tab.